Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, we have the PC that I have called the giveaway PC for obvious reasons, but I would like to clear up some confusion that was made by the last building the giveaway PC video. Basically, this giveaway PC is not the giveaway PC that I'm giving away now. This is the one I was giving away for 1,000 subscribers. The winner's name was George Fancy, as I have stated in the first giveaway winner video, and I will be delivering it to him this Sunday, May 19th or something like that, and I will be making a video of that. Should be up sometime next week. Now, it was confusing because a lot of people thought that this was a PC I was giving away now. No, as stated in many of my past videos, I will not be giving the next PC giveaway. The next PC giveaway is 2,000 to 2,500 subs, probably 2,500, or 4,000 hours, 4,000 watch hours on my channel. Two pretty far away goals, but I think we can do them in less than a month, honestly. If we all work together, tell your friends, be like, hey, I want to win a PC, come sub to this channel. But, so 2,500 subs will be the next PC. That'll be a 2700X, 2060, or 2070 RTX build, and it'll be a streaming PC I'm giving away. This is the gaming PC, the 7700K RX 580. Finally, I am ready. I have the camera and everything on all the team to give this to George Fancy. He is in the wonderful state of Connecticut, so I'll be driving out there. We'll have a nice little vlog, and I'll be delivering it to him, not at his house, for obvious reasons. That's just weird, but he has designated a place for me to meet him and give him all of this stuff. All of this stuff? But wait, there's just a PC here. But that's the thing. As you can tell by my jacket, we're giving away some special stuff with it. You know, how are you going to use a PC without a mouse? So we're giving him a Razer Death Adder Chroma. But wait, now you just have a mouse and a computer. Well, that's because we're giving him a Razer Black Widow V2. And to top it all off, how are you going to hear anything? You're not going to use speakers. We are going to give him my favorite pair of headphones, the HyperX. Oh, there's no space. It goes down here. A pair of HyperX Cloud 2s. So this is what I'm giving to George Fancy on Sunday. The next giveaway PC will also include peripherals like these. Peripherals? I don't know. These are just what I had at the time to give away. I got good deals on all of these. I got some bundles with these two. And then these are brand new. I've opened all of them just to make sure that they're actually not broken, so I don't give him, it's like, hey, here's a $100 keyboard, or $200 keyboard, and a $100 mouse, and then they end up being broken. We can't have that, so I did open them just to test them, then I put them right back in the box. But, yeah, so probably a lot of you can be like, what about a monitor? Guys, I don't have that kind of money. Any monitor that I would buy, that I could afford to give away, would not be a monitor worthy of gaming, so I might include, I don't know, it depends. If by Sunday I can get hold of a 144 Hz 1080p monitor, I will include it as well, but this is what we're giving him for now. On Sunday, we'll be delivering this to the first giveaway winner, and stuff like this will be included with the next giveaway, and I will probably try to do a monitor for the next one. So the next few giveaways are the 1,500 subscriber. We're giving away the RX 580 Red Devil. Check the giveaway video in the past for information on that. And then at 1,800 subscribers, it is a 2700X or a 2600X Ryzen CPU we'll be giving away, along with probably a motherboard for it as well. I forgot to include that. I'll probably do a motherboard. So you basically have almost the whole computer. You'll have the CPU, the cooling, and the motherboard. You just add a graphics card. It'd be funny if someone won both the graphics card and the CPU, and then they could build a whole computer right there. But I wanted to clear that up. This is not a new giveaway PC. This is for the winner of the 1,000 sub giveaway. It just took me a long time to get it all ready. Camera team stuff. This is all the stuff we're giving him. I love this jacket, by the way. I don't know. I don't even think they sell this anymore. I got this free. They don't sell this any. I'm not sure. Someone tell me in the comments if you guys know where to get this jacket. I love it. I got it free a while ago. But I just wanted to clear that up, guys. Thank you so much for all the support in the recent videos and the recent giveaways. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.